Welcome to this guided meditation for emotional balance. Find a comfortable spot on the beach as the sun sets, where you and your partner can relax together or just sit together anywhere. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let the soothing sound of the waves calm your mind. Today, we focus on cultivating loving kindness and emotional healing, connecting with your inner self and each other. Begin by taking a deep, slow breath in through your nose and exhaling gently through your mouth. Notice the rhythm of your breath as it mirrors the ebb and flow of the ocean waves. Let your breath anchor you to this peaceful moment on the beach. Visualize the vibrant colors of the sunset painting the sky. Warm oranges, soft pinks, and deep purples. Imagine these colors enveloping you in a gentle, loving embrace. With each breath, feel the energy of the sunset filling your heart. Now silently repeat to yourself, may I be happy, may I be peaceful, may I be balanced. Feel the warmth of these words infuse your being, gently healing and soothing any emotional wounds. Shift your focus to your partner. Visualize their face and silently wish for their happiness and peace. Repeat. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be balanced. Allow your hearts to connect in this loving moment. Imagine a soft, glowing light emanating from both of you, merging into a single beam that connects your hearts. With each shared breath, feel this connection growing stronger and deeper, fostering emotional healing and mutual understanding. Reflect on something beautiful you experienced together today or in the recent past. Let gratitude fill your heart as you acknowledge the love and support you share. Breathe in gratitude and exhale any lingering stress. Visualize this glowing connection expanding outward, touching the entire beach with warmth and peace. Every inhale draws in the healing energy of the sea, while every exhale releases tension and negativity. Silently affirm together, we are love, we are balanced, we are at peace. Feel these affirmations resonate in your bodies and minds, strengthening your emotional bond and restoring your inner balance. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of emotional balance, healing and connection with you as you step forward together into a peaceful night. Thank you for sharing this meditative journey. Enjoy the calm